You've seen now what is happening in the Luo nation. You know, William Ruto, he had been overrated. Even me, I had overrated him. Actually, the guy is quite useless in matters politics. He knows nothing. He has no idea who the Luo nation is. These are hardened political maneuverers. You cannot force them to a situation. You can only persuade the Luo nation. Granted, kwa kukula vitabu, wamekula vitabu sawa-sawa. These Luo guys are sharp. Na hii maneno ya samaki pia nimesikia inachanua ubongo. Is a community that has made serious change in this country. Is a community you don't push around. You just persuade them. Waongeleshe, uotoke uende. So William Ruto has just realized ya kwamba hii watu ya Luo nation sio watu ya kuuzwa wholesale. You know, he bought ODM from Junet Mohammed, Gladys Wanga, and Oburu Odinga. And he thought that he has bought the Luo nation as well. Sasa when he heard akina Sifuna and Babu wanaenda huko, akapatiwa intelligence ya kwamba they are waiting for them in thousands. He couldn't stomach it. He was so bitter. Because alikuwa amenunua ODM akifikiria amenunua Ajaluo. William Ruto, you just bought a shell. Ulinunua makaratasi na viongozi wa church. But the Leo supporters ya Baba, they are solid. These are educated people. They want to listen to what you are saying. And they know lies. They know deception. Na wanajua ukweli. So, the way he was doing here in the mountain, siku aliona hapa tumemfukuza. Alilete goons na fujo. For 2 years ametuumiza. Pitting Kikuyus against Kikuyus. Pitting Merus against Merus. Pitting the people of Embu against Embu. Lakini Mount Kenya South hajajaribu. Because nafikiri nyinyi mlimkataa zamani. I think he gave up on you. I think Mount Kenya South, even when we are there, the police are with us. In fact, I must tell you, where me and my team enjoy most is Ukambani. When we are here in the mountain, gari iko na helmet, iko na bulletproof vest, iko na rungu, iko na vitu ya kujikinga. When we are coming to Mount Kenya South, tunatembea kama watalii. I think he gave up on you a long time ago. I think that is why there is no violence in Mount Kenya South. I think he gave up.